Introducing the ASAKUKI 500ml Essential Oil Diffuser, a premium 5-in-1 ultrasonic aromatherapy fragrant oil humidifier that enhances your space with soothing scents and a relaxing ambience. With a large 500ml water tank, it provides up to 16 hours of continuous mist, ensuring a fresh and calming atmosphere all night long. Enjoy a peaceful atmosphere with its super quiet operation, running at a noise level lower than 23 decibels, quieter than soft breathing, making it perfect for work, sleep, or relaxation. Designed with a slope water tank, it prevents water accumulation and makes cleaning easier while ensuring even mist distribution. Now featuring an upgraded DC socket position, making it more convenient and stable, ensuring uninterrupted performance. You can add water anytime, ensuring continuous use without hassle. Easily add essential oils for a refreshing and long-lasting aroma to enhance your space. Experience a soothing auto color cycle with soft LED lights that transition smoothly, creating a calming and cozy atmosphere. Choose a fixed color and adjust brightness between bright and dim settings to match your mood and environment. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly PP materials, the same used in baby bottles, this diffuser ensures safe and durable performance with strict quality control. Designed for multiple occasions, the mist and light functions work separately. You can turn off the light at night while sleeping or use it as a night light to create a calming environment. For added safety, it features an auto-off switch and timer, ensuring worry-free use even when left unattended. With ASAKUKI's trusted quality and customer support, you can purchase with confidence. If you ever face any issues, their support team is always ready to help. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.